What is the first number?
0.
0. What color is 0?
No.
And it's yellow and pink.
Pink.
All right. After 0 is
1.
1. What color is 1?
Red and blue.
All right. What color is number 2?
Purple and green.
Purple and green. What's after 2?
B.
What color is number 3?
No and red.
Yellow and red. Perfect. All right. What's after 3, Wyatt?
4.
4. What color is 4?
Pink and green.
Pink and green. Nice. And what comes after 4?
5.
5. What color is 5?
Blue and no.
Blue and yellow. What's after 5?
6.
6. What color is 6?
Red and blue.
Red and blue. And what comes after 6?
7.
7. And what color is 7?
Purple and green.
Purple and green. And what comes after 7?
8.
8. And what color is 8?
No and red.
Yellow and red. And what comes after 8?
9.
9. And what color is 9?
Green and pink.
Green and pink. And last one, what's after 9?
10.
10. And what color is 10?
Red and no.
Red and yellow. All right. So can you count 0 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. And count from 10 to 0.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All right. And say thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And wave and say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Wave.
Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.